All right, so we're gonna do our math. You should have just listened to the Jack Hartman song about coins. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter. Let's learn. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter. Let's learn, right? And you learned about coins. One of them is a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. One of them was a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. One of them is a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. So we're just gonna practice today with pennies. So we've got some pennies in the boxes. We're just gonna color them. The color pennies are kind of a brownish color. They're actually made of a material called copper. Sometimes they can look very shiny, almost like orangey, but when they're dirty, they definitely look browner. So we're gonna color our pennies, and then we're gonna have to match how many pennies to the correct number. All right, press pause if you need to finish coloring your pennies. And over here, we've got some numbers. We've got 2, 4, and 3, all right? So first things first, let's count our first row of pennies. 1, 2, 3. That's easy peasy. I'm gonna match it to the 3. The next one has 1, 2. I'm gonna match it to the 2. Last one has 1, 2, 3, 4. Match it to the 4. So easy, TK. You should be able to do that by yourself. All right, and we've got a new number to practice. We've got a 7. So 7 rhyme goes like this: slide to the right and then slant down, slide to the right and then slant down, slide to the right and then slant down. That's how we write the number 7. So let's do that a couple times with our finger. So we're gonna start at the dot and slide to the right and then slant down. Slide to the right and then slant down. Slide to the right and then slant down. So let's pick our 3 different colors. 3 different colors, and let's do our tracing. Slide to the right and then slant down. Slide to the right and then slant down. Slide to the right and then slant down. That's how we write the number 7. And then we'll use our pencil to trace. Slide to the right and then slant down. Slide to the right and then slant down. When we slide to the right, we have to make sure we're stopping because a 7 has a pointy part right here. If we don't stop, it's gonna have a rounded edge. We do not want a rounded 7. We want a sharp, pointy 7. So we have to stop and then slant down. All right, let's see if we can make 7 sevens. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And this line is not a straight line. The 7 doesn't look like that. It's got a slant, which is a diagonal line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See if you can do some 7s. Practice your 7. If you're having trouble, or if your 7s have a curve, or if they're a straight line down, keep practicing until you make it a diagonal line, which is a slanted line down.